This is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been teaching driver's education in class, in car, DMV test prep, road test prep for 21 years. Let's go ahead and talk about hand-over-hand steering and observation skills. I'm at the end of a block. I'm coming up. I'm going to turn on my left-hand turn signal. You want to line yourself up near the stop sign. Stopping behind. I stopped in front. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm looking left, but the bushes are obstructing our view. Move up so you can see. Now, next tip, you want to look through the window. This is the A-pillar. Cars have A-pillars. They do obstruct your view. So you want to look and turn. A lot of beginning drivers, I'm going to look at the steering wheel. I'm not looking where I'm going. Look where you want the car to go. There's a school bus up there. Instantly, kids. That's what's coming in your mind. You want to be a defensive driver. You want to be safe. And obviously, you want to get over to the right and share the road. So that's a great teachable moment. Drive safe. Be aware of what's going on. I'm going to come up to this corner and make a left-hand turn. My blinkers are 100 feet, a half a block. Time it. You want to start slowing down gradually. You don't want to slam the brakes. You want to have a nice, smooth, complete stop. You want to look left, right, left. Then you want to gently accelerate through your turn, looking where you want to go. And then you turn out hand over hand. There's a corner coming up. What I'm going to do is try to turn hand to hand to show you what steering method is the most efficient. Based on national publications in the United States, the hand over hand is the most efficient. Let's go hand to hand. Now, I still can turn it, but it's just not quite efficient. You saw that. There was a vehicle there. Now I'm going to make a right turn at the street. I'm looking left. I'm looking straight. I'm looking right. I'm scanning. Use your vision. And then I'm going to turn hand over hand. You can see the difference. And then I turn out hand over hand. Smooth and efficient. I'm going to make a left turn in this driveway. I'm going to do a 3-point turnaround. I teach my students to be on one side of the parts of the driveway. They're poured in sections. I'm going to roll back. I'm looking left. I'm looking right. I roll straight down. I'm looking out of my back windows. I turn hand over hand to the right. The rear goes to the right. The front swings out to the left. I turn hand over hand back. Good steering is important. Good fundamentals are important. I'm going to be making a right turn. I want to have a nice complete stop. I'm looking left. I'm looking right. Inching forward. Build good habits. And I'm looking where I'm going. Once the car is out of the turn, I turn out hand over hand. And you want to have that timing. A lot of beginning drivers lack timing with the gas and the steering wheel. So you either turn out too soon or you turn out too late. I'm going to make a left-hand turn. We're coming up to this major road. I want to have a complete stop, which I've done. 3 seconds minimum. I'm moving forward. It's called showing the car. I'm looking and I'm checking and I'm taking my time. I'm going to make a left turn and turn in the nearest lane. The nearest lane is right by the yellow. And that's a really nice smooth turn. So I'm accelerating up to speed. I'm going to turn on my left turn signal. I need to make a left-hand turn. And this is to protect the left turn. The line is broken. This is where you're supposed to merge in. You want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. On your DMV test or road test, your road tester will look for you to have good spacing. And if you're rear-ended, you will have one collision. If you're tailgating a car, you will have the secondary collision, being hit in the rear and being hit in the front. So we're sitting here. This is to protect the left-hand turn. It's blinking yellow. If I was up there in the intersection, if it's clear and I have a gap, I would make a left-hand turn. So I'm waiting patiently, moving up, being patient, and take your time. It's real easy to get a lot of anxiety because you're going to be making a left-hand turn, and it does take time. So it's super important. And now I'm going to go up and make my left turn, and I'm accelerating through the turn, and then I turn into the lane. I know you like my ringtone, so I'm going to continue, and I'm up to speed. And then I'm going to go ahead and get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm in the lane, nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. I'm a little bit over speed, so I'm just dropping my foot off the gas. Those things do happen. And if it's a normal mistake, your DMV tester, road tester should be fine with it. But practice good fundamentals. It's real easy if you're nervous or excited not to be paying attention. So I'm scanning. Also, a lot of beginning drivers have a difficult time. I'm literally going to hug the right lane. This is what beginning drivers do. This is the view that I see. Or they hug the left lane. In America, we have left-hand drivers. In other parts of the world, they have right-hand drivers. So I do understand what they usually say. So my speed control is pretty good. Let's review. If you felt this gave you good content, which I hope it did, and you learned something, give it a thumbs up. If you really like this content and you want to learn how to drive and become a really good driver, subscribe. Have a blessed day.